My name's edA-qa mort-ora-y, and today I want to talk to you about merge sort, one of the classic sorting algorithms and one that you should know. I'm going to go through the basics of the algorithm, how it's constructed. It's one of the classic divide and conquer algorithms. We go through one step of splitting things up and then another step of bringing it back together. This is something that comes up occasionally in programming. It's one of those common algorithms that can be adapted to various scenarios, and during an interview it's one of your go-to algorithms to implement and to show that you understand sorting and how it can be done, and you can build other algorithms from it. After I've explained the algorithm, I'm going to talk about the complexity about it, both the time and space complexity, and say how we arrive at that and how you calculate it. This is also helpful for an interview when they ask complexity questions. And at the end, I'm going to go through a complete example of the code, step for step, showing you how everything works and looking out for corner cases and giving you a working example. So let's get started with the explanation of merge sort.